Luck, have fun. Here.
Ang sakit, boss, ah.
Take 3. I'll maneuver. Enter and move. Okay.
Maneuver.
One more time.
Attack.
I don't think Loki has after combat movement, right? This is gonna be a 4. Oh, okay, that's one. We have after combat movement.
Paliw ko naman, eh. Wait lang,
Okay. I think he probably ins the action and maneuvers out.
Natin mo ako. Sige, gain.
Okay. I'll just stay here. Okay.
And maneuver.
Maneuver. It's crazy, bro. The sister moves, I guess. Team.
Sakta.
Then sister moves.
Sulit na sulit si sister, ah. Maneuver. Attack.
Here.
Gain.
Okay. Here.
Attack.
Okay. Then take 1. I'll draw 1. The sister moves. Maneuver. Oh,
Bahala dyan.
I'm sorry.
Gago, ah.
Max, never ko pa nakita yun.
9 damage. 9 damage yan sa sister.
Ready na pang beast farm to.
Kaya nga, pag ipulit yung base form, patay pa rin.
Okay. Yep, I'll take 2. Take 1.
Pag napulit yung base form, patay pa rin.
Pass the turn. Maneuver. The sister moves pala. I'll just move here. Then maneuver again.
Maneuver.
What's this? Okay. Yeah. Manu. Sister attacks. Loki. I fainted. Take 2. You can have this back. Or just take 1 damage.
Hindi ako mag-heal, no?
Hindi. Discard ko. Sabi ko binalik ng exploit. Ito yung kukunin ko.
Tapos, so,
1 damage.
let's go ito.
Then I'll draw 1 from exploit.
Over.
Maneuver. Ay, may action pa ako. First action na attack.
Okay, sorry.
Galaga, okay. Okay.
Nakamanubar na ako eh.
Okay. I'll skim.
Kala ko,
Deal to the sister attacks. It's this naman. Alam mo na. Okay, I'll take 2 from my own effect. From your card. Okay. Decide pala which cards your top card.
Yan lang to.
Okay, okay. Go ahead. Down and attack.
Manubar.
Underhanded. A concern. No, I don't think it's that big of a concern right now. Yeah, I do actually have bidding as well, but I mean it's not in my hand right now, but later. Okay. Maneuver. An odd hand, but can happen. Should I just run for now? I kinda want to keep. Oh no, because he's not gonna approach me anymore. Actually, I just have to wait for beast form, sorta. I'll just keep wasting his time, I guess. Maneuver. I'll discard the card. You can have your trick back. Okay.
Manubar. Lipad beast form.
Wala pa kasi.
Oo, gago. 9 damage. Sisters lang. Ang kati eh.
Misform.
Ayan na.
Prey upon. I heal 1, you take 1 action. I'll maneuver.
Gandahan niya po.
Okay.
Maneuver.
Okay. Yep.
Top.
Okay. Yep, okay. She's dead.
Ito.
Just yung basura na card.
Pang discard.
I'll maneuver. Maneuver. Okay. The beast forms. I don't think I have to interact with Loki anymore. Prevent him from giving me tricks. Yeah, I'll do my bidding this. Just wait. Then he can never approach me again. Okay. Yeah. I mean, hindi ba pag inattack mo yung underhanded ay 3 lang yan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cards ka eh. 5 ako kanina. 5 cards ako eh.
Ano yun?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Hindi mo, 6 tayo pareho kung
4, 5, 6. Oh, tama. 3, 3, 6 pala tayo pareho.
di 3 lang to.
Pala ako.
Hindi okay lang pala.
Okay.
Sige. Okay.
Underhanded pa rin. Delete ko na to.
Go. Take 1 from pink.
Tangina, wala pa yung beast form, pre.
Wala pa kasi.
Wala pa yung beast form.
Scheme na kita. Dinadamage na kita sa ping. Heal 1. I'll maneuver.
Ang
I'll
alat.
boost. Then move on.
Tuwang kita eh. Tataki na nga kita eh.
Para tapos na.
Kaya nga, mataki na nga ito para matapos na eh. Wala akong boost, puro ang layo mo.
Tapos sobra pala.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ano ba?
Okay. It should be good now. Okay. Maneuver.
6, 7, 8. Sobra ako.
Go lang. Go. Maneuver. Left. Discarding this. For some reason, wala pa rin beast form. Okay.
Ano bang matapos, boss?
Boost ka na sa akin.
Magpapakagat na nga ako eh. Ano ba? Sige, para hindi naman halatang maneuver lang. Baka sabihin, binenta ko yung laro ko eh.
Sige. Maneuver.
Ako.
Still have 1 underhanded. Let's just wait. Maneuver.
Wala ka ba? Dulo-dulo beast form mo?
Dalo pre.
Ha?
Ito na. Wala pa. Hindi ka na pinapatagal lang para gagawin ka.
Kaya nga eh. Sabi ko, ay pa tumira na eh. Ito, isang beast form na lang ito eh. Sige, maneuver lang ako.
Sige.
In place. Tanggal ito. Ayan na.
Okay.
Kaya pa kita konti.
Okay ito na.
Oo,
6, 2
sakto yan.
plus 5. Yeah, sakto. Okay.
Sakto yan. O, di ba?
GG's.
Kasi mo, kung hindi ko magat yung ano mo, medyo masakit ang buhay mo.
Yeah.
Kung hindi ko magat yung 9 mo, lalim ng beast form mo eh.
Lalim nga.
Tsaka to, lalim eh.
Grabe.
Ang katinong ano eh. Ang katinong 9
Grabe
eh.
ning seduction skill.
No?
MVP.
Parang kasi nakakawalang gana na eh. Anong ginagdat ng 9?
Ang swerte ko nga doon kasi opening hand ko isa lang na ravening. Tapos maneuver ako, nakuha ko isa pa. Kaya unti-unti yung marafin ko, hindi ko na isa-isa. Kasi unti-unti sila pumapasok sa kamay ko.
Kaya hindi ko masyadong ano, sabi ko nung una, okay lang. Yung
Hmm.
pangalawa, sabi ko, hindi ko na pinapansin masyado yung position ng sisters mo
Ah.
kasi isip ko, ano namang tatlong ganyan hawak na agad. So, parang, lalayo ko ng lalayo.
Yan nga.
Ayun yan. Tatlo pala talaga, gagi. Wala na eh. Nung nanuebeya nun, parang abangers ka na lang lumabas ang
Ah,
beast form.
tagal nga eh. Pero wala na, sure na eh. Hindi na kailangan takin para di na punta mga tricks sa kamay ko eh.
Kaya, no, panidepensa nga yung hawak ko eh.
Yeah.
Pero isip ko, kasi kung beast form, kung malaki buhay ko, mahirapan ka rin kahit may beast
Ah.
form ka dito. Kasi mag-size ka, 4, parang less 4 cards. Hindi ka masyado
Hmm.
mabawas eh.
Hmm. Sakto nga lang to
Yun lang,
talaga.
syempre, yung sobrang baba na ng health, wala na magagawa.
GG's.
Anyway,
Yeah, GG's.
GG.
Swerte ko
Walang
lang dito.
mag-lag.
Oo, ano syempre. If you'd like to support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee or my Pixel by ePlayment pages down below. And if you like the content you just saw, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.